Hey guys, so it has been a minute since I filmed anything for you guys, but I couldn't let October go by without doing at least one Halloween makeup tutorial. So I decided on this kind of sea skull, just like blues and greens, shiny. I use like shiny paint, so in person it is way shinier, but pretty. I don't know. I just thought it would be simple, fun, and I just missed you guys, so I wanted to do this real fast. I'll explain everything I've been doing and why I've been MIA for the last 2 months in my next video, but I want this one to be quick. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. everything for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I put my hair down and like left it messy and curly because I just feel like skulls wouldn't have like really pretty kempt hair. I don't know. I tried to get it frizzy and messy but curly at the same time, but that's why I didn't color like my whole neck, because my hair is going to cover it up completely. But I absolutely love how this turned out, and I hope you guys did too. It's pretty easy. I feel like the time I spent was just like going over some colors. My light went out for a second. Did you see that? But yeah, was going over fixing colors. My hair's now getting into everything, but I like how it blended out. You could do any variation of colors. Still don't know why that's happening. But yeah, let me get off here before the power completely goes out because I'm nervous about that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, and have a great Halloween. Have so much fun and dress up. Keep the magic alive. We need it this year. So, love you guys.